In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify forms for your online store. We'll walk through the process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a form to your Shopify site and start collecting the information you need from your visitors and customers. First, make sure you're logged in to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your store's control center, where you manage products, orders, and of course, apps and themes. Once you're in, we'll start by opening the Apps section. This is where you can install tools that extend your store's functionality, including form builders if you're using a dedicated Forms app. If you're using the native Shopify Forms app, you'll want to search for it in the Shopify App Store and add it to your store. Just follow the prompts to install. Then open the app from your apps list. If your theme already supports forms, you might not need an extra app at all, and we'll focus instead on adding the form block directly in the theme editor. Now, head over to the online store section, then click on Themes, and choose Customize for your current theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can visually control how your store looks. On the left-hand side, you'll see sections and blocks that make up your pages. To add a form, navigate to the page where you want it to appear. This is usually your contact page, your home page, or a dedicated sign-up or lead capture page. Once you're on the right page, click Add Section or Add Block, depending on your theme, and look for an option like Contact Form, Email Sign-up, or simply Form. Select it, and Shopify will insert a basic form layout onto the page. You'll see a preview on the right, so you can immediately check how it looks. Next, customize your form. Update the heading so visitors know exactly what the form is for, such as a contact request or newsletter sign-up. Adjust the text and description to set expectations, like how quickly you'll respond or what kind of emails they'll receive. If your app or theme allows additional fields, you can add things like a subject line, phone number, or message box. But try to keep it as simple as possible to encourage more submissions. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Then use the preview option to test the form. Submit a test entry to confirm that the information goes to the right place, whether that's your email inbox, your Shopify admin, or your marketing platform. Once everything looks good, publish your changes, and your Shopify form is ready to use.